what can the consumer, and in this case, the Gen Z, do? Because in their world, there's so much coming.
Yeah. So Gen Zs are facing two sorts of problems, especially when it comes to news and media. For definitely it's AI and fake news, but the other is also propaganda. And sometimes something that's more dangerous than AI is propaganda because you think it is real. Real people are talking to you, but at the end you're being brainwashed. And that's something that Gen Z needs to be very cautious about. That can, what to say, brainwash them at a very early age so that when they grow up, it is very difficult to change their opinion. And to not fall into the trap, one thing is obviously to not have this one favorite platform where you consume news. It is always important to look at different platforms, even for the same news. Because sometimes if a channel or a platform is, pro government, they will have a certain kind of ideology, and the other might have the exact opposite. And both of them are analyzing the very same issue, maybe the very same budget that has been announced. So having different opinions, listening to different platforms, and then forming your own opinion is very important, because when you are young and when you are exposed to certain things, it is very easy to influence you. And the other thing I feel that to identify fake news or propaganda is to just sometimes connect the dots. I'll give you an example. You are consuming news from an X platform. It is just one Google search away to know that who is funding that platform, who is the editor, is there any politician being attached to this platform. So when you connect those links, sometimes you just blame a journalist, but that he or she is very biased. But if you connect those links on who is the editor, who is funding that platform, who is the politician behind it, or who is the businessman behind this platform, then I think the communication will be very clear on why you are fed only certain kind of news and why certain news will never be on your feed.